Hi there, this is Chelsea from Enterprise. Welcome to today's session on the sales process for stock items. In this session, we will be covering how to add your sales order and taking you through to creating your first sales invoice. So let's get started and enable you to manage your items with Enterprise. Now let's go into the sales module. Under the sales process for items, you can start by creating a sales code which has no effect on your stocks. You can then copy the sales code into a sales order where you can record the stock your customer would like to order. This will not affect your in-stock totals at this point. However, it will let you know that this stock is now committed and will reduce your available stock accordingly. You can then copy your sales order to a delivery when you are ready to ship your goods to your customer. You can deliver in full or change your quantities to do a partial delivery. Now your in-stock totals will then be reduced. You must then copy your delivery to an invoice to complete the sales process and to ensure that you get paid for the goods. You can, of course, skip all the front steps and simply go straight to sales invoice, which will take care of your stock movements for you. Remember, the sales invoice is a legally required document. So now let's take a look at creating sales orders, as this is the first step that will start to affect your available stock. So to create a sales order, click on New Sales Order, select Item, select the customer from the drop-down list. You can also add a new customer from here if it does not already exist. So contact details, bill to address, ship to address, this will show the defaults that you have already defined when setting up your customer account. But this can be changed as well. So enter a reference number if any. For the date, posting date will default to today's date and enter your delivery date. Once this is done, move down to creating and adding your order. So you can add a description to your order by clicking on Add Text Line. Otherwise, you can start to proceed to add an order by clicking on Add Line. Now add your item details, select your item from the list or select the item group to reduce the search. I'll pick one of the item here. This will then populate the remainder of the fields such as warehouse, tax, and price if you have already set them up. You can, however, still change this at this stage. The left side of the screen will show you the available stock in your warehouse and what is available in all warehouses if you have more than one warehouse. Remember, you should look at the available stock as this shows you what you can sell at present and commit to the order. You can assign cost centers and project codes if they are relevant to your accounting setup. You can add a comment such as request from customer on the item. If you need to add more items, click on Add on Additional Item. Otherwise, I can click OK. Now you still can edit or remove a line. There's an edit symbol here and a delete button. You can also click on Expand to see the line details. There is also a tick box to the right that states back-to-back request, which creates a purchase order on the back of the sales order and links both together. Or you can select to deliver it to the customer in full now. Now you can add remarks to appear on the printed document or comments, which are for internal use only. When you are ready to post your order, click on Save. You may get a message such as this, asking you to email this document to your customer depending on the settings you have selected in the document layouts under Settings for your organization. Now that your order has been added, you can access the Actions button on the top right where you can select different options such as emailing to your customer, downloading a PDF, print a report, etc. You can also copy this to a sales delivery or skip the sales delivery and copying the document to a sales invoice. You can also edit this sales order, and also you can cancel or close the document. For further help, you can reach out to help.enterpryze.com or reach out to our support on chat, where a representative will assist you on your queries. Now you are ready to start adding sales item documents. Thank you for watching.